Hello my lovely students, how are you? Hope you're fine. Today we're gonna start with a new grammar lesson. It's about singular and plural nouns. Before we start, let's revise what we talked about nouns. We said that a noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, animal or idea. We also said that the noun can be a common noun or a proper noun. Now, in our explanation, we will learn that the noun can also be a singular or plural noun. Let's start. First, what's a singular noun? A noun that names one person, animal, place or thing is called a singular noun. So singular noun names one person, one animal, one place or one thing. Let's clarify the idea by examples. In the first picture, we can see a boy. So boy is a singular noun that tells about one person. In the second picture, we can see a cat. So cat is a singular noun that tells about one animal. In the third picture, we can see a house. So the house is a singular noun that tells about one place. And in the last picture, we can see a bag. So the bag is a singular noun that tells about one thing. Now, what's a plural noun? A noun that names more than one person, animal, place or thing is called a plural noun. So plural noun names more than one person, animal, place or thing. So let's clarify it by examples. In the first picture, we can see boys. So boys is a plural noun that tells about more than one person. In the second picture, we can see cats. So cats is the plural noun that tells about more than one animal. In the third picture, we can see houses. So houses is a plural noun that tells about more than one place. And in the last picture, we can see bags. So bags is the plural noun that tells about more than one thing. How do we show the plural form of regular nouns? Add s to most nouns to show plural form. So we add s to most nouns to change them from singular into plural. Let's do some examples. In this picture, we can see a girl. So girl is a singular noun. And to change it into plural, we add s. So girls is the plural form of the singular noun girl. In the second picture, we can see a dog. So dog is a singular noun, and to change it into plural, we add s. So dogs is a plural noun. In the third picture, we can see a school. So to change it into plural, we add only s. Schools is the plural form of the noun. In the last picture, we can see a flower. So flower is a singular noun and the plural form of flower is flowers. We add s to the noun. So the first rule is add s to most nouns to show their plural forms. The second rule, add es to nouns that end in ch, sh, o, s, ss and x to get their plural form. So the second rule says that if the noun ends with ch or sh or o, s, ss or x, we have to add es to get the plural form. Let's do some example. Here we can see a bus. So bus ends with s. To change it into plural, we add es. So bus, buses. The second picture, this is a class. So the noun ends with ss. To change it into plural, we add es. And we have classes. The third picture is an ostrich. So ostrich is the singular noun. To change it into plural, we add es. Why? Because it ends with ch. More examples. This is a fox. So the fox ends with x. And to change it into plural, we have to add es. So we have foxes. Here it's a mango. So it ends with o. And to change it into plural, we have to add es, mangoes. The last picture, this is a dish. And the plural form of dish is dishes. So we add es since the noun ends with sh. So here we have to know that if the noun ends with ch, sh, x, o, s or ss, we have to add es to the singular noun to form its plural noun. The third rule. For some nouns that end in f or fe in the singular form, drop the f or fe and add ves in the plural form. So, if the noun ends with f or fe, we have to cross the f or fe and add ves. Examples. This is a leaf. Leaf ends with f. So to change it into plural, we cross the f and add ves, leaves. In the second picture, we can see a wife. So wife ends with fe. To change it into plural, we cross the fe and add ves. Wives is the plural form of the singular noun wife. The fourth rule. Nouns which end in y and have a consonant before the y, drop the y and add ies to get their plural form. So if the noun ends with y and we have before the y consonant letter, not a vowel letter, so we have to drop the y and add ies. For example, this is a fairy. So the plural form of fairy is fairies. Here, the noun ends with y. Directly before the y we have r, a consonant letter, not vowel letter. So we have to drop the y and add ies to get the plural form of the noun. The second picture shows a baby. So also it ends with y and directly before the y we have a consonant letter b. So we have to cross the y and add ies to get its plural form. Now, the last rule in this explanation is nouns that end in y and have a vowel before the y, add s to get their plural form. So if the noun ends in y and before it there is a vowel, we only add s to get the plural form. For example, this is a toy. So the noun ends with y. and directly before it there is O, which is a vowel letter. So to get its plural form, we only add S. Another example, this is a key. Also, it ends with Y and directly before it there is a vowel letter. So to get its plural form, we only add S. And we have keys. Now, let's do this exercise together. Write the plural form of the following nouns. So we have in this column the singular nouns, and we have to change them into plural in the second column. Book, books. We only add S. Tomato, it ends with O, so we have to add ES, tomatoes. Knife, it ends with FE, so we have to drop the FE and add VES, knives. Story, it ends with Y, and before it there is a consonant letter, so we have to drop the Y and add IES, stories. Box, boxes. It ends with X, so we have to add ES. Shelf, shelves. So it ends with F. We have to cross the F and add VES to form the plural noun. Duck, ducks. We only add S. Toy, toys. We only add S because it ends with Y and before it there is a vowel letter. So this is the explanation of the first part of our lesson, singular and plural nouns. So please, student, watch the video more than one time to understand the lesson very well. Thank you and goodbye.